Let's draw baby Mickey Mouse in this video. Come along with me and I'll show you step by step. Use this image as a reference and just copy the lines to form the drawing. Let's start by drawing the nose. Then come the eyes. Now we can draw the mouth. And next comes the face. Let's draw the head. And the ears next. Now the clothing detail. And we can draw the hand. Then comes the arm. Now let's draw the other hand. And we also do the arm. Let's draw Mickey's body. Now come the feet. And now we can color it in. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.